Good morning, students. Students, as we were discussing about connective tissue in our previous video, and in the previous video, I told you about the general characteristic features as well as the classification of connective tissue. In the same series, today I am going to explain the very first one, connective tissue. This is called as loose connective tissue. So today we are going to discuss various types of loose connective tissue along with their functions. So students, initially I am going to tell you that what is the specific feature of loose connective tissue. So whenever we are going to discuss about loose connective tissue, so you will find out that loose connective tissue is made up of fibers, cells and matrix. And while we are observing the cells, so you will find out that there are various types of cells are present in the areolar connective tissue, and two types of fibers are mostly present there, and which are suspended in a ground matrix. And loose connective tissue is of three different types. The first one is areolar connective tissue, the second one is called adipose connective tissue, and the third one is called white fibrous connective tissue. So I am going to speak about the very first one, areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue is basically composed of three different types of cells. What are these cells? Fibroblast, macrophages and mast cells. And two types of protein fibers are present in the areolar connective tissue, and these fibers are called collagen fiber and elastin fibers. And all these cells, either these are cells or these are fibers, these are suspended or distributed in the matrix. Now I am going to talk about the cells first. As we know that there are three types of cells: fibroblast, macrophages and mast cell. So initially I am talking about macrophages. Initially I am talking about fibroblast. So fibroblasts are basically irregular shaped flat cells with long protoplasmic processes. So means if you will find out the fibroblast cell, तो you will observe that these cells are irregular in shape. मतलब इनका कोई फिक्स शेप नहीं है. These are flat cells, बिल्कुल flat होती हैं, and they have long processes of cytoplasm. Means cytoplasm is scattered without not without, I have to say that undefined, with undefined boundaries of the cell wall. ठीक है. तो and except it, their major role is they are going to release collagen and elastin fibers. तो यानी कि जो फाइबर्स होते हैं मैट्रिक्स में वो इन्हीं से प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. यानी फाइब्रोब्लास्ट आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू सीक्रेट collagen as well as the elastin proteins for the fibers. तो यानी जो फाइबर बने होते हैं elastin fiber और collagen fiber, these are composed of two types of proteins, collagen protein and elastin protein, and these proteins are released or secreted by fibroblast cell. Second kind of cells are called as macrophages, and macrophages are large cell. These are also amoeboid cells, means they do not have any kind of fixed shape, and they are involved in the phagocytosis, means they are involved in the provide immunity to your body. ठीक है. Means if a foreign pathogen or foreign antigen is entering inside your body, so or a foreign microbe is entering inside your body, so it is involved in killing of it, and foreign particles as well as the foreign cells are damaged with the help of this tissue. Now the last one is called as mast cell, and mast cells are basically mostly these are irregular or ovoid. Ovoid means oval in shape, and they store inflammation producing substances like histamine as dense granules. So you most probably you are familiar with the histamine. Histamines are the chemicals which are responsible for the allergy. Means they can cause inflammation in your body, and these mast cells are the cells which are storing these inflammatory substances, or we can say that these secret histamine type of substances which can cause allergy, or these are also involved in the immune responses. So these are the three different cells. I discussed about their shape and their function. Now I'm talking about fibers. Now as you know that there are two types of fibers which are suspended in matrix. Initially I am talking about collagen fibers. Collagen fibers are tensile, have tensile strength, and also help in the tissue repair. So collagen fibers have tensile strength. Tensile means they are providing uh, flexibility. I mean to say that these are helping in the stretching of the connective tissue, and somehow they are also help in the tissue repair. Whenever there is an injury, so they help in the repair of the tissue also. While the elastin fiber, as the name is suggesting, they prevent displacement and the injury of the tissue. तो ये टिश्यू को इंजर्ड होने से या डिस्प्लेसमेंट होने से रोकते हैं, and they provide mechanical strength to the particular tissue. Now here in the figure you can observe there is a areolar connective tissue. Here you can see that there are three types of cells. At the top you are observing mast cell is there, then you are observing collagen fibers are there, then you are observing elastin fibers are there, fibroblast are the cells, and matrix in which the all the cells as well as the fibers are suspended, and finally macrophages. Now this was the very first one, connective tissue, areolar connective tissue. Okay, now this is enclosed into the loose connective tissue. Now the second kind of loose connective tissue is called as adipose connective tissue. Now if you have most probably if you will visit to the market, and if you are visiting near about a mutton shop, तो मटन शॉप में वाइट कलर का जो फैट आप लटके हुए देखते हैं, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ द एडिपोज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, and it is consist of collagen fibers, elastin fibers, and the cells which are present in the adipose connective tissue. एक तो सेम आपकी फाइब्रोब्लास्ट है, द सेकेंड वन इज मैक्रोफेजेस, एंड थर्ड वन दो स्पेशल सेल्स हैं, इनको बोलते हैं एडिपोसाइट्स, फैट सेल्स. ठीक है, एंड दीज सेल्स आर स्टोरिंग फैट्स. तो देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ फाइबर, collagen fiber and elastin fiber, along with three types of cells, fibroblast, macrophages, and adipocytes. Now I am talking about their function. तो the adipose connective tissue synthesizes, stores and metabolites as well as fats. तो इसका काम क्या होता है, ये फैट्स को या अदर मेटाबोलाइट्स को सिंथेसाइज करने का काम करता है और इनको स्टोर करने का काम करता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल, और इट ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट्स हीट लॉस बाई फॉर्मिंग एन इंसुलेटिंग लेयर beneath the skin. If you will observe that हमारी स्किन के नीचे फैट की एक मोटी सी लेयर होती है. This layer is called adipose connective tissue, and this adipose connective tissue prevents the heat loss from the body. It means it helps in the regulation of temperature of the body. Now the last one, loose connective tissue, is fibrous or white fibrous tissue. ठीक है, and this white fibrous tissue has only a few fibroblasts and a dense network of thick collagen fiber. तो इसके पास बहुत कम अमाउंट में सेल्स होती हैं, एंड दीज सेल्स आर कॉल्ड एज फाइब्रोब्लास्ट सेल. केवल सिंगल टाइप की इसके पास फाइब्रोब्लास्ट सेल हैं, वो भी बहुत फ्यू, बहुत कम नंबर में, और इसी के पास थिक कॉलेजन फाइबर होते हैं, बंडल्स होते हैं. एंड तो थिक कॉलेजन फाइबर हैं, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि वट विल बी इट्स फंक्शन, इट विल प्रोवाइड टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ टू द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. ठीक है, इट इज़ फाउंड एट द जॉइंट्स बिटवीन द स्कल बोन्स which are made immovable. और मोस्टली इसकी अकरेंस कहाँ होती है, लोकेशन कहाँ होती है, पोजीशन कहाँ होती है. यू विल फाइंड आउट दिस काइंड ऑफ वाइट फाइब्रस टिश्यू बिटवीन द जंक्शन. आवर स्कल हैज़ वेरियस बोन्स, एंड स्कल बोन्स का जहाँ पे जंक्शन होता है, एट दैट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन यू कैन फाइंड आउट वाइट फाइब्रस टिश्यू. सो आई एम कंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ. तो टुडे वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट loose connective tissue, and we discussed that it is made up of three different types of cells and two different types of fibers which are suspended in matrix, and there are three types of loose connective tissue: areolar, adipose, and white fibrous. So I hope so कि you understood the today's topic very well. Still, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can concern with me. Tomorrow once again I will meet you with a new video. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.